everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am JAHANVI and let's start. The material we required for this beautiful flowery background is painting colors, brushes, pencil, bowl and a sellotape and of course sheet. Now paint the background with black paint and it will look like this. Now you need a bowl. Now take the green paint in a bowl and mix it with water to have a dilute form of paint and mix it well. Now you have two methods to make leaves. The first one is with pencil and the second one is brush. Firstly, I am using pencil. It will give a perfect shape to the leaves, but it will consume more time. Look on the video. Now I am using painting brush. Mark leaves all over the sheet and it will look like this. Now take an earbud and mark the yellow points in between the leaves. And it will look like this. Have a look at this. Now make the petals with the red paint all over the sheet with the help of that earbud. Now take the lime green shade and make the petals to give it more colorful effect. And the perfect photo is here. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video, give beautiful comments and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thank you. Look how beautiful it is and colorful. Thank you everyone.